Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and if you're considering the brand new Google Pixel Buds, well, you're going to want to watch this video. This is EBPMAN Tech Reviews, and today we're going to take a look at the brand new Google Pixel Buds. Now in this video, we're going to take a closer look at the Google Pixel Buds. We're going to do an unboxing. We're going to do two tests, an EBPMAN style call quality test and an EBPMAN style audio test. We're going to hear the call quality. We're going to hear the audio quality of the brand new Pixel Buds. Are they the best on the market? Well, you're going to want to watch the video because they have surprisingly good call quality. Let's get right to it.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now, while there's several things that you can be excited about the Google Pixel Buds, one of them is not the battery life. The battery life on these are 5 hours, and okay, let's face it, 5 hours is good, but not good in these times. You're looking at earbuds that are cheaper than these, $149 versus $179. They're going to give you 11 hours of battery life. So these will only give you 5 hours. Now, one of the things that is competitive is that you're going to get 24 hours worth of usage with the case. So that means after you use them, you put them in and they charge, you'll get 24 hours, which is going to be great for a lot of people. But again, I still think that it's not as competitive as some of the other brands. Now, 10 minutes fast charge is going to give you 2 hours. That's competitive. Now, the Google Pixel Buds also support Bluetooth 5.0, but they do not support multi-pairing. They do support multi-connect, meaning that you can have them on different devices and you can disconnect one to get to the other, but it's not multi-connect capable. So now, while the Google Pixel Buds do support independent use, one of the things that you can't do is put them on and off seamlessly without having the music stop. So if you do take one out of your ear and you put it in the case, you'll have to press play to continue listening to music. If you put it back in your ear, though, they'll automatically sync and continue either watching a movie or playing music. While the Google Pixel Buds do not have active noise canceling, they do have passive noise canceling. And that means when you put them in your ear, the seal that you get is really good. Now, they do have environmental, I would say, audio tuning. So depending on the environment you're in, as you're in a louder environment, they automatically adjust the volume to make sure that you have the best music experience. Now, from a mic perspective, the Google Pixel Buds only have 2 mics, but for calls, I have to tell you that despite the fact that only having 2 and many of the competitors having 3 mics, these perform extremely well. You have to listen to the call quality test, so make sure you stick around. Now, one of the things I'm not going to cover on the channel because I think is a little bit gimmicky is that Google really touts the fact that the Pixel Buds have translating capabilities, meaning the ability to listen to a conversation in one language, hear it in another, and then speak in the local language that you're listening to. The problem I have with this feature is that the feature is very manual. You literally have to have your phone out, press a button to capture what the person is saying, listen to what they're saying, and then what you do is you speak it, and then your phone speaks what you say. It's just still very clunky. It's really not automatic. Now, the last thing we'll cover is IP rating. So from an IP rating, these are IP rated 4. So they're going to be safe in the gym, they're going to be safe for working out, and if you do get caught in the rain, you should be fine too. Now, in the box, you're going to find your Google Pixel Buds with the traveling case. You're also going to find some gel tips. So you have one installed, and then you have 2 other sizes, and you have a USB-C charging cable. Now, taking a closer look at the case, you'll see that it's really compact. It supports wireless charging. It also has a matte finish. It actually feels like an egg. If you were to touch an egg, the outside of an egg, that's exactly how this feels, which is kind of freaky. It does also have USB-C for charging, and then Qi charging as well. The buds, when they're inside the case, and you'll notice that there's an LED here and here indicating your battery life, will stay magnetically in the case. And as you're putting them back, they do self-guide. So you can see as I put them in, they just lock in. Now, the buds themselves are relatively compact, but similar in design. So if we take a look at this design, you do have touch and swipe options. There's no physical buttons here. You just swipe to the left, swipe to the right. You can tap, you can double tap. These do not support transparency mode, which is another negative for me. The fact that you can't listen to what's going on around you, just like you can with the majority of the earbuds nowadays, is a miss. It has a small wingtip here, and it also has the contact points for charging. And let me show you what they look like on. So we'll go ahead and put these in our ear. The one thing I will say about these as I put them on, they have a nice thin profile. They almost disappear. Let me make sure that you can see this. I'm going to move over to the right and to the left. And if I go right in the center, you'll notice they almost disappear because they're so flat. Now, from a seal perspective, as we were talking about, you have a great audio seal. Not a lot of noise is getting in, especially if you have the right ear tip. From a comfort perspective, they don't feel like they can fall out. I've actually taken these out on a run. I've had them for the last couple of days and had no issues with really sweat getting in my ear and then having to clean them out because there's been so much sweat. And if we do a shake test, you know, these guys are not going to come out. They really sit really nicely. Now, one thing that I would say is about the audio quality. We're going to do the call quality test next, followed by the audio quality. But from an audio quality perspective, I just want to mention this. They're very well balanced, right? These aren't going to be bass-heavy earbuds, and you'll hear this in the music playback that we have. But bass, mids, and highs are present. It's clean audio. It has a great sound stage. They're not going to compete with the Sennheisers, let's face it. So I know you guys are going to ask for a lot of tests. I'll tell you straight up. They're not going to compete with the Sennheisers. I will say, though, they compete really well with the Google Pixel, actually the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, the new ones. And probably some of the other brands that we have on the channel. So if you're interested in comparisons and you want to do those new audio tests that I've been doing, let me know in the description area and we'll do that. So again, good audio quality. You have a good sound stage. Bass, mids, and highs are present, but it really doesn't favor, I would say, bass in a heavy way. It's very balanced in nature, and you're going to see that in the audio playback. So let's go ahead and do the call quality test, and we'll do the audio test next. Next, we're going to do a call quality test of the Pixel Buds in a quiet environment. As we take a look at our decibel readings, anywhere from 19 to 22 decibels. Let's go ahead and switch.
Now, this is what the call quality would sound like when making a phone call on the Google Pixel Buds in a quiet environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Next, we're going to go into a noisy environment.
Now, next, we're doing a call quality test of the Pixel Buds in a noisy environment. As you can see here, our decibel readings are anywhere from 40 all the way up to 79 decibels in noise. What we're going to do is we're going to get quiet, switch, stay quiet, and see how much of the noise is being canceled, and then we'll do the audio test. Let's go ahead and do the switch.
Now, this is what the call quality would sound like when making a phone call on the Pixel Buds in a noisy environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. This is what the call quality is like on the Pixel Buds in a noisy environment. Let me know what you thought about this call quality in the comment area below.
So now for this part of the video, make sure that you put on your earbuds or your headphones so you can hear exactly what I'm hearing from the Pixel Buds. We're going to look at 2 different tracks, 45 seconds each. One of them that is going to have a balanced approach to music and one that accentuates bass. So let's get right to it.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. If it's a shot at love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud 9. Baby, I adore you.
So guys, that completes our review of the Google Pixel Buds. Let me know what you thought about the audio test, the call quality test. Aren't they amazing? And if you're going to pick these up next, love to hear from you.